This web, TikTok, and YouTube earning platform, are you looking for make money online? So you are the right place today. I will show you how to make lots of money at home. This web is FBR certificate. 7-star earn is registered in Pakistan government. Any our investor can check our own registration on the government of Pakistan website. Here's the proof of registration and registration number. This is payment methods. You will choose your payment at these methods. Membership plans. How you can earn more money, so you will choose here plans. Every plan will make double earning. If you invest 500, so you will get 1,000, and also available free plan to earn money at home. In today's digital age, opportunities to make money online are abundant. One such avenue that has gained significant attention in recent years is the concept of watching ads and earning money. It might sound like an effortless way to earn a quick buck, but the reality is more nuanced. In this article, we will explore the world of watching ads for money, its potential benefits, drawbacks, and the legitimacy of such platforms. The idea of making money by simply watching advertisements is undeniably attractive. Who wouldn't want to earn some extra cash during their free time by performing a task as simple as viewing ads? Several websites and mobile apps promise just that, the ability to watch ads and get paid in return. Register. Create an account with just one click. Now sign up. Users register on the platform, providing their personal information. Make sure you will provide correct information. These platforms often claim that advertisers are willing to pay users for their time and attention. Advertisers hope to reach a wider audience, and users are seen as an essential part of this equation. This symbiotic relationship is the foundation of the watch ads, earn money business model. While it is technically possible to make money by watching ads online, it's essential to approach this opportunity with a dose of skepticism. Most of these platforms offer limited earning potential. Additionally, many fraudulent schemes exist, preying on individuals seeking quick and easy money. If you're looking to make money online, consider exploring other options such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. These methods often offer more substantial returns for your time and effort. Ultimately, the allure of watching ads for money may not be as lucrative as it initially seems. And it's crucial to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before getting involved in such ventures. In an era where the internet plays a central role in our daily lives, opportunities to make money online are more diverse than ever before. One unconventional yet increasingly popular way to earn income is by watching ads and getting paid for it. This sounds almost too good to be true, getting compensated for simply watching advertisements. However, the reality is more nuanced, with both advantages and limitations. We'll delve into the world of watching ads to earn money online, exploring how it works, its potential benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's a legitimate way to generate income. Payouts. When users accumulate a certain amount of earnings, they can request a payout, which is typically processed via PayPal, gift cards, or other payment methods supported by the platform. Withdraw earnings. Once users accumulate a certain amount, they can request a payout via PayPal, gift cards, or other payment methods. Several websites and mobile apps have sprung up in recent years, each claiming to provide users with opportunities to watch advertisements and receive compensation in return. The allure of this model is clear. It appears to be an easy and accessible way to make extra money online. But before diving in, it's essential to understand how these platforms operate and what to expect. Earning a meaningful amount often requires a significant time investment. It may not be worth it considering the low returns compared to other online opportunities. Watching ads for money is accessible to almost anyone with an internet connection and a device, making it an inclusive way to earn money online.